The BB Bash happens once a year, and now is finally that time. Yes, get ready for the third annual BB Bash, taking place from February 1st through the 14th, 2026. Last year, nearly 10,000 artists joined, and I saw firsthand what a difference these 2 weeks can make for your art practice and your personal creativity. I am so excited to bring it back again this year. The BB Bash is structured like this. From February 1st through the 14th, we will have new tutorials and new lessons and live talks throughout. There'll be 5 themes throughout, and each theme will cover 2 days. On the first day, I give you a written exercise for you to go and explore on your own. We will also have a live call. During that session, those are really the fundamental times to changing your mindset and exploring some new tips and tricks that can help you going forward. Now, on day 2 of that theme, my tutorial, my take on that prompt will be released. Now, you may be wondering why I have put it this way. Most of the time with art events or art challenges or retreats, they give you the art tutorial or the video first. Now, the big thing that I wanted to change for the BB Bash is I wanted to allow you room to explore before seeing another person's take on it. In this case, my take on the prompt. All of this is free and it will be delivered straight to your inbox every day, February 1st through the 14th, assuming that you have registered. Now, the BB Bash, the free version, is an entire event all on its own. I wanted to make sure that it was easily accessible to everyone that wanted to participate. So you'll be able to watch all of those videos, watch the replays, explore the exercises through the end of the event, February 14th. Now, I created another option called BB Bash Beyond. I don't like to consider this an upgrade, but rather an extended version of the BB Bash experience. It's the opportunity to really go deeper. A lot of times we need support even after that event ends, so it's not just a mad sprint and then hoping it sticks. BB Bash Beyond is there to help you implement and create lasting change for yourself. One of the ways that I like to do this is through a workbook. With the purchase of BB Bash Beyond, which is only $39, you get a digital workbook included with your purchase. It's 140 pages of prompts, creative mindset shifts, exercises, everything that you need to take all of this information and really implement it into your daily life. I'm excited this year because there's also another option of having your workbook printed and sent to you. So this right here is what the workbook looks like. It's a beautiful coil-bound version. Inside, you'll find the prompts, the resources. There's tons of room for journaling and note-taking. It's a resource that I've designed that you can come back to time and time again throughout the entire year. That's another great thing that happens with BB Bash Beyond is there's no rushing. You'll have extra time to go through everything. You'll have lifetime access to all of the content, all of the videos, the exercises, the workbook, all of it. Another great thing that is included with BB Bash Beyond is there are extra videos and tutorials for every single prompt inside the BB Bash. You'll get behind the scenes looks like how my desk is set up, what supplies I have out and around me. There are also extended videos of the main BB Bash lesson where we take things further and keep exploring, discovering what if. A lot of it is us exploring together and finding out what we like and what we don't like. At the end, I'll show you how to bring all of the prompts, everything that you made together into one cohesive project. I think this is one of the biggest benefits of BB Bash Beyond because so often we make all the pieces and then have trouble fitting them together. Also included in BB Bash Beyond is 2 live playdates that happen during the event. Already waiting for you then in the classroom is a couple videos, a mini project, choosing your color palette, and you'll be able to hit the ground running on the first day of the official BB Bash event. All of this is going to end on February 14th, and that's when your chance to upgrade ends as well. So the sooner you join, the more you get out of the experience. Right now, I want you to go register for the free BB Bash, make sure that your spot is secured, claim your free ticket, and I am so excited that you're here with me. By signing up for the BB Bash, you are choosing yourself and choosing your own creativity. I suggest when you're watching this to go mark your calendar off on those days and try to dedicate a little bit of time each day to your own personal creative art practice. I'll be here to guide you, and I cannot wait to see where this takes us.